What's going on, fam? Welcome back. This is Chris with Food for Your Thoughts. I know you're having a wonderful day. We are back with another Divine Alignment Light Code message. And as you can see on the screen, it's all about 1044 vibration and why you keep seeing it. So if this number 1044 been popping up in your reality lately, I got you covered. Be sure to click that like, subscribe button down below. I greatly appreciate you. All right. And this number reduces down to the number 9. That means you leading by example. You been there, done that, got a t-shirt, got a book. You know what I'm saying? So you are the way, sure. Okay. You got to light the way for others. Okay. So when these numbers pop up in your reality, okay, obviously you receive your call to adventure. It's all about leaving no stone unturned. You want to go from the known to the unknown. You want to do your own research. And all of us have our own personal life path and mission that we have to fulfill. Nobody can do it but us. Okay. So when you know better, you're going to do better. So what's going to happen is the universe going to use any means necessary, Mother Nature, synchronistic events, you know, music, all these different sound vibration, most importantly, your intuition and your anatomy, everything is going to partner up, right? And get your attention some way, right? And that's what is going to lead you to, you know, a path of self-discovery, knowledge of self. And it's going to lead you to people like myself sharing their true ups and downs, the things that work, things that don't work, and also the tools that help me level up. Okay. And so, and like what I like to do, you know, I like to partner my experience or pair my experience up with a reference if I can. That way you can have a better understanding of what I'm going through versus just relying on my words. Because there are people out there that are going through similar experience just like you. And you may not, you know, have came across these individuals yet. So just be patient. The universe is going to line you up with people like myself to support your growth and your new vibration. Okay. And so with that being said, you know, the things that really help me, again, these 7 hermetic principles, you're doing these things each and every day, whether you know it or not. So why not get better acquainted with these things so you can have a better understanding, overstanding, so you can have that balance in your life. Okay. Learning how to apply them. So as you apply these things, testing them out, see what works and what doesn't work, you're going to find your sweet spot with these principles, the universal laws. Okay. And so what's going to happen as you build a better relationship, you're going to see the manifestations in your outer reality. So everything is happening from the inside out, not the outside in. Okay. So with that being said, as you navigate in your own matrix reality here, please take in consideration using your personal day calculation. Okay. And basically what this is going to do is going to help you set your intentions, going to give you some structure, right? Going to get you, help you set some goals. And so, and the universe is going to mirror your intent. And also, most importantly, it's going to help you walk through the manifestation process. Okay. So each and every day we should have a new thing, you know, for our day, so to speak. And that way you can, you know, each day, prime example for this, you know, personal day calculation, this person added up to a master number 11, which reduces down to a number 2. Okay. And so off jump, you know, that number 11, that W11, like an energetic gateway or a snapshot from the universe. Right. And so you got to be mindful with the number 11. You got to be mindful of your thoughts, beliefs, words, emotions, and actions. Okay. And also that number 1 is going to remind you to step out of your comfort zone. Okay. You got to you got to put in the work if you want those results in your life. Nothing is free. In other words, so your input going to equal your output or your results. So you got to put something in to get something back. So if you're going to sit on the bench and think something's going to happen for you, you got a long time waiting. Okay. So why not pick up the controller, play the game, learn, more about yourself, your purpose, your mission, your life path, and what's going to happen. The universe is going to keep sending confirmation, letting you know, like, hey, divine inspiration, you're on the right path, and you're gonna experience more synchronistic events. And also with this number 11 vibration, I don't want to get too far off track. It's a very slick way where the universe like this shit, tell you like, hey, I love you, I appreciate you, I care about you, you are special, your life does have a meaning, you are important. Okay, so it's encourage you with this number 11 vibration. It's basically a message of encouragement, okay, to keep going. You are doing better than you think, so stop being so hard on yourself. And then when you reduce that down to that number 2, the universe letting you know, like, hey, it's all about cooperation. I'm gonna work with you. Your input equals your output, so the universe gonna mirror your intent. So we're gonna do this together. Okay, so cooperation, balance, diplomacy, the peacemaker, and you're gonna become the power behind the throne in your life. And that way you'll be able to pour, your heartfelt desires and your creative skills and talents onto others, okay? Help people grow, and that's what we're here to do. All right, so with that being said, when it comes to the 1044 vibration reduced down to that number 9, let's talk about it. I'm gonna get you out of here, okay? So when it comes to the number 1, again, it's all about new beginnings, fresh start. It's a period of manifestation, okay, creation. And also, again, with that number 1, it's encouraging you to step out of your comfort zone. And then when it comes to that number 0, it's all about infinity, eternity, cycle, oneness, wholeness, and also you working with that God force within yourself, the source, universe within you. Okay, so you working hand in hand, and also you are giving birth to a new spiritual experience, okay, with that number 0, leading to the double 4. All right, the number 4, again, that number 4 for me is all about having, solid plans, solid foundations, and some goals in your life, some kind of direction system, okay. And also that number 4, is a reminder that you should have some results in your life because you have some structure, okay, 4 legs on the table, right, and it's stable. Okay, so with that being said, we with that double 4 vibration is dealing with what you are tapping to, integrity as a foundation, treating earth as a home and a temple, which it is, okay. And also it's a reminder of a manifestation and leadership in your own life. And then with the double 4 vibration, which leads to that number 8 is a constant reminder that as you grow through your own personal transformation and atonement process, you're going to tap into material satisfaction, authority, power, ambition, giving and receiving, not receiving and giving, because people really need your assistance. They need your technical know-how. They need your talent, skills, and ability. They just need your presence because you are that damn good, okay? And then we reduce that thing down to the 9 because you've been there, done there, got the t-shirt and a book, okay? You are leading by example because you have the results. All right, you're not winging it. You are, sharing your light from experiences and those heartfelt ups and downs. And if you're able to, you can point people to a reference so they can have a reference point, so they can get, pretty much gain their own perspective too. All right, so let's go ahead and talk about this 1044 reduced down to 9. I'm gonna get you out of here. So material items going to come and go on your path. You're going to meet a lot of great people, run into some resources, okay? But the most important thing, when you learn to do things for yourself and cut out the middleman, that's more important and longer lasting. Because when you can do things for yourself, you can help yourself and you'll be able to help other people, because the universe is going to line you with people that are going to need, your assistance, because you done been through some things that they could, benefit from, and you'll be there to teach them and to guide them and to help them. You know what I'm saying? You're not going to force nothing on them, but you're gonna plant that seed. It's up to them to to take action and refine and repeat the process on their own. Okay, so with that being said, if you don't learn anything else, please learn those 7 hermetic principles. Going to take you far. There's a good side, not so good side to everything, but it's all about balancing your own doggone polarities within yourself, so you can operate as that one force that you came here to be. So when it comes to this vibration, again, that number 1, it's all about new beginning, fresh start, creation, inspiration, intuition, self-leadership, action, motivation, progress, uniqueness, creating your own realities with your thought, beliefs, words, emotions, and actions, and leading to that number 0, right? And that's all about that God force, that universal energy source within you. It's a beginning point because you're giving birth on a new spiritual path, okay? So it's all about eternity, oneness, wholeness, cycle, flow, developing your spiritual aspects, and basically connecting, elevating your vibration to connect with your higher self. And then as you tap into the knowledge of self, right, it's going to give you freedom from limitation, because when you know better, you're going to do better. You're not going to be relying on other people to get you out of a jam, because you're going to learn to do things for yourself. And then with that number 0, is also going to amplify the energy of the numbers that it appears with, leading into the number 4 vibration, right? Again, with number 4, dealing with goals, discipline, structure, system, hard work, responsibility, because you've been putting in the work, you did the research, all right, you've been testing things out for yourself, finding your own sweet spot, traditional values, and you love to live a life of honesty, integrity, inner wisdom, and then you very diligent out there, because it's all about achieving those goals so you can have the results, so you can pour, have those results so you can pour in the from yourself to other people, okay? And then with that number 4 vibration, it's all about passion, purpose, the energies of the archangel. So with that double 4 vibration, it's just letting you know that's all about, seeing yourself in a higher light and operating your higher faculties within yourself. So these are my takeaway when it comes to 1044. It reduces down to that number 9. When this number pop up, and it will consistently pop up for you as you elevate your vibration, it's just a reminder to like keep your thoughts positive and confident as you start a very important new role, because you are stepping up to the plate, player. Okay, and know that you are very capable of everything that comes your way. You just got to trust the process, and most importantly, trust yourself, not somebody outside of you. Trust in your own ability, responding to your ability, because it's your responsibility, right? So recognize the hard work that you have put into your accomplishment, everything that you did in the past, and know that everything that you did in the past is going to bring long-term benefit because you planted those seeds. All right, you took the initiative to plant those seeds in your life. All that hard work is going to pay off for you. Okay, so get ready to close things out. When this number pops up, it's also reminding you like your positive energy, intentions, actions will manifest your expected results. So you need to find new ways to be more efficient with your work. Okay, so it's all about your routine. Work on your routine, refine and repeat the process so you can be very, more efficient and take advantage of your time. Okay, you don't want to just have a day wasted. Okay, so each and every day, that's why every presentation, I always encourage, like, every day we should be learning something new each and every day to build those new brain cells, because our brain is a muscle, right? So with that being said, you are very gifted in many ways, and you have great creativity, communication skill. When this number pops up, it's just a constant reminder, and it's a reminder for you to use these talents to enhance your own life. And also, with this vibration, you are here to uplift humanity as your soul dictate in creative ways. Okay, use your imagination. Okay, and as we close things out, again, that's why you made it to this point right now. You've been listening to your own inner voice, your own energy. So listen to your intuition as your spiritual team, your universe within you, your ancestors, so to speak, are ushering positive energy towards you and around you, because you've been putting in that work. You believe in yourself, you love yourself, and you see that everything is interconnected. Okay, so you have great drive, initiative, and you got this. So keep striving ahead. Do not take no for an answer, and expect miraculous answers and solutions to appear as you need them on your hero's journey. Okay, I care about you that much. Okay, and make sure these books will help line you up to a higher vibration with your thought processes. So invest in yourself, invest in your mental health. Okay, so this has been my own personal takeaway when it comes to the 1044 vibration, reduced down to that number 9, and why you keep seeing it. Be sure to click that like, subscribe button down below. I greatly appreciate you. And as always, our purpose and mission require learn a whole bunch of life lessons and gain that experience, not if our soul grow. And as you grow, you're going to help people to help themselves, right? And give them some good knowledge and wisdom, and point their butt to a reference as need be. All right, don't force it. But most importantly, just trust your own inner voice, your own energy. You're doing better than you think. This is Chris with Food for Your Thought. We're going to close this thing out with 1055 vibration while you keep seeing it, and we'll be back. Until next time, take care of yourself, love yourself, leave no stone unturned. Stay grateful and focused, fam. Peace.